Okey, apa yang awak nampak dekat skrin saya? Okey, apa yang awak nampak dekat skrin saya? Nampak lukisan tak? Nampak okey?
Ha?
Nampak tak sel okey nampak?
Nampak?
Nampak.
Okay, good. Now we are going to talk about convex mirror dan juga concave lens. Remember, we are discussing lens and mirror at the same time. Okay, don't be confused. The reason I'm doing this is because I want you to compare so that you're not going to be confused between the two devices we have here. Now, concave lens. Okay, we have here concave lens. Okay, we have F here. And convex mirror. This is convex mirror. Convex mirror, so we have C here. Convex mirror, this is the back side of the mirror. So the mirror is here. Here's the mirror. Do you ever see something like this? Did you ever see something like this? Can you give me an example?
Yeah.
Where do you see this? Where do you see this kind of mirror? Where do you see that? Usually, this kind of mirror is available around somewhere around the curved road, right? Curved road, you cannot see on the other side of the road. Now we have the convex mirror, so it will be reflected, so you can see other vehicle coming from other direction. The reason why we use convex mirror is because we want to have a wider view, right? Wider view so that we can see other vehicle from opposite direction, so we can try to avoid accidents. Okay, now we're going to look at how we need to draw the diagram. Okay, now we have, remember you need to draw the line, this line, because when you draw the line, you will know where the refraction occurs for this case and where the reflection occurs for this case. This is the rule how you should draw it. Okay. Now, can you tell me the rule that you have learned last week? Last week you have learned the rule for concave lens. Remember? You still remember that? Okay, let's say we put an object here. Light will travel parallel to principal axis like this. What happens is it will refract away from normal line. And the refraction seems to start from F. Okay, it seems to start from F. You cannot simply draw the refraction wherever you like, something like this. No, you must make sure that the line starts from F. Okay, that is the first rule we apply. And then light travels straight to the center of the lens. Okay, center of the lens, but there's no refraction. So where is the object now? Where is the object? The object is exactly on the intersection like that. Okay? Are you okay? Can you tell me the characteristic? Smaller.
Smaller virtual image.
Virtual, that's correct. Okay. Virtual because actually this line doesn't exist. Okay, another one is upright because you can see both of object and image points upward. So it is upright. Okay, what about this case? Now we have an object here. Now can we apply the rule we have here? Light parallel to principal axis. Okay, they are parallel. And then it will be reflected. Reflection, reflected, okay. It will reflect, but it seems to start from center of curvature. Seems to start from here. Okay, now we have the line here. Okay, can you see that?
Yes.
And then we, okay, now light towards, now the light, okay, this light travels towards C, travels towards C. Okay, okay. Actually, I need to correct something here. I made a mistake here. Okay. Actually, this is not C. This is not C. It is F. It is F. Okay. Sorry, I made a mistake here. So please take note that this is F. Just like this one, it starts from F. Now C should be somewhere here. Okay. You need to make sure that the distance between C and F and C should be equal. But I have a problem here because I'm running out of space. But make sure when you draw the distance between F and mirror and C and mirror should be the same. Understand? Understand or not?
Yes.
Understand.
Okay. So the next thing is, what if light travels towards C? It travels towards C. It will travel towards C. But okay. I'm not going to draw it because you're going to get confused. But remember, this line is pointing towards C. What happens is it will be reflected parallel to principal axis. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I'm going to do it again. Actually, when the light travels towards C, it will not be reflected parallel. It will be reflected on itself. Okay, do it again. It's not very easy to do that, not because I'm not using a ruler. Okay, now it is towards F. Now it will be reflected at the same line. Okay, please forget what I told you just now. If the light travels towards F, it will be reflected back to the object itself. You see this? It will be reflected on the same line of light. So this, you can see the intersection here. Okay, you can see the intersection. Here is the intersection. And remember to draw dotted line because that is a virtual image. Actually, this one also you need to draw this one dotted line also. Okay, this one should be dotted line because it is virtual image. What about the characteristic? The same characteristic here, the same thing. Okay. Okay. Is there any question on the comment section? Can somebody read it for me? Because I'm not going to change the screen. Because if I change the screen, then maybe I'm going to mess up the screen. So somebody, can you please read any comment which asking me about something here? Is there any question from the comment section?
Ya.
Huh?
Tak faham convex
No.
mirror tu.
Tak faham yang mana?
Convex mirror.
Convex mirror. Yang ni tak faham ni. Yang ni ke?
Ha.
Okey, tak apa. Okey, kalau tak faham, saya lekir lagi sekali Saya lekir lagi sekali. I do it again. So, please look carefully this time. Let's say that we have, no, like this. No. Yang ni lah kan? Okay, now we have F and we have C. Okay. Okay, saya buat kat sini. Ini adalah belakang cermin. Behind the mirror. So, mirror kat sebelah sini sebenarnya. Okay, now we have an object here. Okay, kan ni sedikit besar sikit, so you can see. Now light. Okay, sebelum tu kena buat dotted line macam saya cakap tadi. Kena buat dotted line ni. Light travels parallel to principal axis. What happens is it will be reflected. Right, it will be reflected. Okay, it will be reflected and it should start from F. Okay, it should start from F. Okay, dotted line and then draw a straight line like this. Okay, there's the reflection. Understand so far?
Yes.
Okay, now we apply the next rule. If the light is traveling towards C. Okay, travel towards C. Okay, now the light is pointing towards C. And then it will be reflected on the same line. Okay, can you see that? Understand so far?
Yes.
Okay, so where is the image? The image is here. Here is the image. Let me change the color so they can see better. Okay, I'm using this color, green color. Here's the image. Okay, actually you can apply another rule. There is another rule you can apply. So I'm going to show it to you now. Now the light is traveling towards F. Towards F. Okay. And then it will be reflected parallel to principal axis. But this one actually it should be at the same place also. But I'm not drawing correct exactly. This is not according to the scale, so that you can see the intersection. Actually, it should be on the same intersection over here. So if you don't want to be confused, you just draw two rules. It's okay. This is enough, like this one. So now we have the image. It is upright, smaller, and it is virtual. Okay. Any question?
No. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good. Very good. Okay, the next thing. Okay, what else? Okay, I'm going to stop recording for a while.